Hello guys, I'm back, and today in this video I'll show you all how you can actually record your voice with your help of the Android phone in your computer. Okay, this video is specific for Windows. Alright, so PC it works pretty much on everything. Let it be your DAW, Audacity, Ableton Live or FL Studio. This thing works. Okay, just in case you don't have a good microphone, so you just want to try to record your voice with the help of your phone. So this is the video you want to watch, and it's gonna be pretty long video, and this could be really tricky, so I suggest you all do not skip any step and watch the video full and make sure you pay attention to the video. Okay, alright, let's get started. First of all, you have to download an application from Play Store to your Android phone. Just search on Play Store Vo mic client like this. Okay, and download and install that device on your phone. Alright, and then you have to go to your computer, and you're gonna have to install two softwares. The link is in the description to get this. Okay, and first of all you have to get this, and then you have to get this. Download both the files, just 1 megabytes I guess, because I've already downloaded it. You need both of them. Okay, so make sure you download this and that. You're gonna have something like this. Okay, both these files, one is client, other one is USB driver. So install both of them. So you might have to restart your PC after installing both of them. Okay, so make sure you have done that. So after that just plug in your USB cable to your phone and your laptop. Okay, USB port, just plug that in. Now you have to enable USB dubbing option. Okay, like it says here, USB dubbing option you have to enable. So to do that, just go to the setting of your Android phone. Okay, and just go to the about phone at the bottom, and go to the scroll down till you find a thing it calls build number. Okay, like that, and you just have to enable developer options in your phone if you haven't already. This is important. Okay, don't miss this step. So you just have to press on that 4 or 5 times till it says you are a developer now. Okay, just click on a build number like this a couple of times till it say you are a developer. So after that, this option will be available in your phone, developer option. Okay, so and then you have to go there, click in there, developer option, and you're gonna have to find USB dubbing and enable that like that. Okay, after that you're pretty much ready to go. Then you have to open up the app in your phone. Right now I'm using this app itself, like I've told you, to record this video, so it's already saying it's connected. You are pretty much done. Now you go to the PC, click on the Vo mic client, the logo of the software, and all you have to do is say connect. As you can see, I've already connected it, but I will screenshot it and I'll tell you how to do that. And just click connect, and you will have a couple of options like this, and you have to select USB and then click on connect. Just in case if you find any error message like this, just make sure that you have connected your phone with the USB cable. Make sure you have enabled the USB dubbing, or you have installed the driver like I've shown in this video earlier. If you followed all the steps, you're gonna have connected like this, and you can be able to record the voice. If you go your sound settings, it will show. If you go to recording, this is gonna show up. See, I'm recording right now, so it's giving the graph right here. It's gonna give you like this microphone Vo mic device. Okay, and if you're like me, if I'm using Camtasia, I can't show because I'm recording right now. If you go to the audio, you will list out this driver. Okay, and you can select that wherever you are. Go to the audio setting of any software which you're using, let it be Audacity or any kind of DAW, you select that and you will be able to record the voice. And I think that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you like the video, and hope it helps. Please make sure to comment, rate and subscribe. And if you have any issues figuring that out, please do make me know. I'll surely try to help you out. That's it, guys. I'm out. Peace.